What's going on, everybody? Is Lunar Classic about to break the 18s as we head on back up to those 20s? We saw a massive move in the market today and the bulls are out in force. Terra Lunar Classic, no exception to that. But in this video, we're taking a look at the new interchain wallet. Why is it important? And why have Luna got to pay for themes and Lunar Classic haven't? Also, let's take a look at those staking rewards and that supply. All of that in this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. 50% of you do not and are not subscribed to the channel, so do me a favor, click that button. It does support the channel. Also, leave a like if you are bullish on the cryptocurrency market right now, and let's get into it. So look at this, $986 billion, up another 5% on the day. You can see Bitcoin there broke 21,000 and is maintaining it. That's the important bit. We are maintaining it. ETH 1552 with a massive spike. Just the market going absolutely parabolic right now. You can see Solana up 35%, Polkadot 12%, as well as a number of other coins that we've covered on my live streams and talked about. Polygon Matic broke $1, Kronos up 7 cents, Apecoin going absolutely nuts at $5.20. As we come down though, you'll notice Terra Lunar Classic currently sits as the 44th highest cryptocurrency out there. And you might be thinking, hold on a minute, the market's moving and yet we have gone down 4 places. Well, let me bring your attention to this. Our circulating supply currently sits at 5.9 trillion. That's right, it starts with a 5. Now, you can see here 1786. Look at the volume heading back up to $400 million, supported by, as we know, Binance for that Binance burn coming in March. Market cap at $1.07 billion. So everything looking pretty good for Lunar Classic, pretty primed for a strong week. Now, will this last? That's the question on everyone's mind. A lot of people calling a fake pump, and I think it's an aggressive one. Remember, retail trades through the weekend, institution comes back in on a Monday, so we'll kind of see how that all plays out. But in this video, like we said, we want to talk about the new interchain wallet. Now, this thing is albeit familiar, but at the same time with much upgrades to it. So currently we don't have a swap facilitated, but we are, you can see here on the classic network, and we can obviously stake in our tokens. We can look at the validators. We can also vote on governance, and everything's going on. You can see here, look, the classic network. Now, it's important to reference this part. This is the TFL developed interchain wallet. What do I mean by interchain? Well, to move and show you exactly what I mean, I'm going to initialize my wallet through the Chrome extension. And for anyone that's having a problem getting onto Classic, use the actual Chrome extension to link into Classic. It's dead simple. Click on the little cog and you'll be able to select which network you want to put it on. So I'm going to pick it onto the main net. I'm going to refresh my wallet and you'll see now I'm connected to the main net, the Lunar main net. And you can see here Terra, Chichawa, Crescent, Juno, Kajira, and Osmosis, all of the separate chains that we now link into the interchain wallet. It's absolutely crazy. And initially, Lunar Classic wasn't going to be part of this, and TFL have come out and supported and said that they would do it. And if anything, more is being built on that now. So you can see we are on the interchain. This will start to move over and we'll be able to access all of these directly from this one wallet. We'll soon see Lunar Classic on there. So it's a huge step in the right direction, a huge sentiment positive for Lunar Classic, and absolutely the diversion that we want to take. Really important, again, linking into some of these big chains to really build our customer and user base, and more importantly, still continue to remove that supply. So super excited about this. There'll be more chains added to this. Again, they've come out, TFL, Jared over there, specifically stating more will come as we bring the ecosystem of Lunar Classic as well as the Terra ecosystem together. So pretty excited for that. Also, I want to talk about this. So these are the staking numbers going in. You can see just in the last 24 hours, over 625 million has been improved on in terms of our staking. You see just in the hour, we are seeing significant numbers starting to come over and being staked. You see that 121 million as these people start to stake it. People really understanding the benefits of staking your Lunar Classic. Bearing in mind, you get much more than just the one Lunar Classic coin or the Luna. Remember, Lunar Network has about 50% staked. Again, you can see validators, and there's a few really interesting ones. We see Classes validators starting to move up, as well as the Happy Catty Crypto. So those people that really are supporting the network, and what we're seeing is people are unstaking and coming out of all nodes and those bigger ones. Remember, the governance part of this is ultimately rewarded by the people that stake with it. So important that we are decentralized as much as possible, but super exciting. Looking at the technicals, well, we are minting a very nice green candle. The rest of the market looking pretty strong right now. Like I said, well over 21k on Bitcoin, but Lunar Classic 17.7, but a strong candle. We did see this massive whale sell off. We did actually top out just under the 20s. We got rejected at the 20s a couple of times today, but 19.5 was where we sort of came down. Then we saw a big whale sell both Luna Classic and Luna, but we are now starting our road back up. You can see here, look, money flow looks really solid. RSI absolutely trending in the middle, and Luna Classic is really primed for a big move, in my opinion, this week. Do we get the sentiment of the market? Do we continue to see this bullish pressure? I'm not sure it can sustain another week, but I certainly can see our market conditions continue to move. What we want to see is big investor money, and I think as we build out with Luna Classic, as we integrate more with Luna and that interchain wallet, then the signs are very, very positive for Luna Classic. All the people that say Luna Classic's done, well, $400 million in volume, linked into TFL and all of those other chains, certainly right now seems to be the complete opposite. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of the interchain wallet? Have you used it yet, or are you sticking to the old one? But as ever, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, click that button and become part of one of the fastest growing communities in cryptocurrency right now. We'd love to have you with us. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Take care.